parties to reconsider dialogue and national dialogue.
Meanwhile, the Ministry of Health has contracted Microhim laboratories to quicken the process of testing COVID-19 at the airport for passengers. The Director of Health Services at the Ministry of Health, Dr. Charles Olara, said the test and fly system will be regulated by the Ministry for quality assurance.
Ever since the President lifted the lockdown on passenger flights, the number of passengers have increased, which has slowed down the process of COVID-19 testing. Ministry of Health and Microhim laboratories have a system that enhancing the process of testing.
$65. But from what I can tentatively tell you is that that figure is coming down. Currently we are looking at $55. In case of emergency, and we can prove that it's an emergency, we'll be able to give you results in 3 hours. The tests that are not on emergency, we are able to give you in 12 hours.
The General Manager, National Aviation Services, Nauman Zahwani, is optimistic that the system will harmonize the loopholes created by the pandemic in the airlines industry.
We've been working on 24/7 around the clock to get this off the ground, and with the support of all the stakeholders, we are very confident this will take off successfully very shortly.
The Commissioner of Laboratory Services, Dr. Susan Nabadda, assured the public that Microhim Laboratories is duly registered.
I want to assure you that this lab went through all the necessary activation processes. It's registered, it went through the training, it went through the certification to be able to produce a quality lab, a quality result.
The Director of Health Service at Ministry of Health, Dr. Charles Olara, pledged close monitoring of activities for quality results.
So flying and test laboratories, you will definitely still remain under the Ministry of Health scrutiny for quality assurance process. So we shall work with you together in this area so that we are able to maintain quality assurance.
Let's look at the neighbor and say, I hope you are.
With that, we'll take a quick break. When we return, more details. You are watching News Tonight.
COVID-19 is a disease caused by the new coronavirus. Know the symptoms. They include fever, coughing, muscle pain, shortness of breath. What can you do? Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for 20 seconds or use an alcohol-based hand rub. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. When coughing or sneezing, cover your mouth with a tissue or flexed elbow. Discard tissues into a closed bin and then wash your hands. Maintain a distance of at least 1 meter between yourself